In the case of opaque plastic and urethanes left exposed and dirty, where the surface is eroded and oxidized, dried out and faded, you can revitalize it with a plastic restorative agent. The Plastic Restorer is a good example of a formula designed for this purpose. In this video, Automotive Care brings 5 best plastic restorers in 2021. We did put together all 5 best plastic restorers in list and mention their links in the description box. Let's get started. On the 5th number is 3D Trim Plastic Restorer. 3D Trim Care is the non-greasy and easy application trim care that restores, renews, conditions and protects faded and dull plastic, rubber, trim and bumpers to their original appearance. This product will beautify your precious trim while also providing long-lasting protection and shine. 3D Trim Care is perfect for beautifying and prolonging the life of your plastic, rubber, trim and bumpers. This premium formula is easy to apply and will not entirely rinse away after a few washes or rain, providing you with long-lasting protection and shine. The 3D Trim Care should be applied by applying some product directly onto a foam applicator pad and gently rubbing over your trim to cover all dull areas. For larger and easy to apply areas, you may also apply the trim care directly onto the surface and rub it with a foam applicator pad. It beautifies and protects your plastic, rubber, trim, bumpers and give you a like-new look and appearance. This plastic restorer is available on Amazon. On the 4th number is Mother's Plastic Restorer. Mother's Back to Black Trim and Plastic Restorer is the original Back to Black formula you've come to know and trust, with a new look and even more value. Remove light oxidation, dirt, wax residue and surface film with ease, bringing back that like-new color and protecting against further deterioration caused by sun, smog, ozone, water, chemicals and airborne contaminants. This plastic restorer cleans and protects exterior trim of all color. The plastic restorer brings back that like-new color. Just simply apply a small amount of this plastic restorer on a 100% cotton terry cloth towel or foam applicator pad. Then apply plastic restorer evenly and thoroughly to the desired exterior trim area, and then wipe off any excess with a clean towel. It protects your plastic, rubber, trim and bumpers. This plastic restorer is available on Amazon. On the 3rd number is Megias Plastic Restorer. Megias Ultimate Black Trim Restorer gives new life to all exterior plastic, vinyl and rubber trim such as bumpers, moldings, door handles, rear view mirror housings and windshield cowlings. With breakthrough UV clear coat technology, Ultimate Black significantly outlasts conventional protectants and trim care products, it providing a darkness and shine that lasts for weeks and withstands washing and rain. The non-greasy formula dries fast. This non-greasy formula dries almost instantly and will not streak when wet. With Megias Ultimate Black quickly make trim and plastic look like new, create a rich darkness and shine, and provide outstanding, durable UV protection. It gives your non-painted exterior trim and plastic a like-new look with long-lasting durability. This plastic restorer is ideal for all exterior plastic, vinyl, rubber and bumpers. This plastic restorer is available on Amazon. On the 2nd last number is Trinova Trim Plastic Restorer. Trinova's plastic and trim restorer is the best way to bring your vehicle back to life, giving it the showroom look you want. By darkening and shining surfaces, this restorer is the solution you're looking for to revitalize your trim. This gel provides surfaces with a protective coating that repels rain, salt and dirt. This means you don't have to worry about maintaining your car's shine even in rain or on rough terrain. With Trinova's plastic and trim restorer you can rest assured that your car won't show its age. With a powerful and effective formula, this product will fight against fading and cracking, keeping your vehicle looking new for years to come. This restorer won't leave streaky residue after a rain shower or car wash. Trinova has made this restorative blend easy to apply quickly and efficiently. All you have to do is use the included applicator pad to wipe the surface with the product and let it dry. This plastic restorer is available on Amazon. And the first we listed, Chemical Guy's Plastic Restorer. Penetrates deep to nourish and restore vinyl, rubber and plastic. The refined cream creates a long-lasting, non-greasy dry-to-the-touch high, rich shine on tires, dashboards, door panels, bumper trim, windshield cowls, rubber tire sidewalls, grills, grates, side mirrors and more. The refined cream restores and protects vinyl, rubber and plastic against UV damage and from becoming faded and cracked. Specialty UV blockers act like sunscreen to repel harmful solar rays that bleach, fade and crack sensitive car parts over time. Achieve a non-greasy, long-lasting deep wet look on both interior and exterior vinyl, rubber, plastic and tires with this water-based dressing. Quick and easy application with no sling and no mess. This plastic restorer is available on Amazon. These 5 are the best plastic restorers. You can choose any one for your use. For any information about all these products, visit to the links in the description box. Thanks for watching, see you guys later.